If you're looking for information on the Drawtify Lifetime deal and review, you've come to the right place. The Drawtify Lifetime deal was launched on Appsumo with a significant discount, and in this video, we'll share all the details of the deal. We'll cover what the Lifetime deal entails, what features are included, and whether or not we think it's worth taking advantage of. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to know about the Drawtify Lifetime deal so that you can make an informed decision about whether or not it's right for you. Quick overview. Read exclusive, vector logos, infographics, animations, marketing pictures, social media pictures, and almost all beautiful graphics. Built-in design resources, including high-quality editable design templates, design elements, practical graphic design, plugins, barcodes, QR codes, charts, tree diagrams, map, calendar generator, 100 million plus HD photos, and many more. It will help the graphic designer's design work, especially for small and medium enterprises. You can get a brand image of millions of dollars in a short period of time. Create all the beautiful graphics you need with online graphic design software. Become a graphic designer, illustrator, animator, and publisher of Drawtify. Anytime, anywhere. Make design easier. We're not just online graphic design software. We are the secret weapon that can help you easily create almost all beautiful graphics. Even if you are a 100% non-designer. Just 3 steps to get an amazing design. Anyone can create great graphics as easily as a designer and complete them in a matter of minutes. You can download images, animations, or print them directly. First, select the desired editable template or create a new blank project. Then, replace your own logo or use an online vector editor to customize the graphics, text, data, and pictures. Finally, adjust the layout or your own colors. Of course, you can also add special effects or animations. Drawtify's recommended solution is browse more social media image templates to fully stimulate your creativity. Click the template closest to your business to enter the design editing page. Then, use Drawtify's rich toolbox and easy-to-use professional design features to creatively modify or add colors, shapes, fonts, layouts, and effects to get exclusive custom social media pictures that are more suitable for you. For example, use the path editing function to create unique font or icon shapes to get more interesting picture shapes. Choose a color editor for a richer color fill. Adding QR codes and barcodes makes your social media images unique and contains more information. Try special effects, 3D functions, animation functions to make your social media graphics more dazzling. Why are you let? Get lifetime access to Drawtify today. One-time purchase of $79.90 only. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you.